All right, I could be like really late and like just getting hip to this, but like just in case any of you guys want to know, you know, when I figure out something, I always share it with the channel. I recently figured out how to download multiple fonts at once, and it's so easy that it'd be like, I just had to make a video on it because like I didn't know how I did not know this earlier. So what you want to do is that once you have all your font files in like one little like one big folder, like how I have here, you're gonna go to control panels and then just search up fonts. Let me do it for you guys real quick. So control panel and then search up fonts, and then you'll see this right here. You can click this, and then that's how I got here. I should have showed that earlier, but short on time. But yeah, so once you have them highlighted, just drag them to this right here, and then it's gonna start installing every single font that you dragged. You see, I have some duplicates, so I just click do this for all current items, and it's gonna like replace all the duplicates, so you can get it done quicker. But yeah, and that's how you get fonts. So, or that's how you install fonts, a bunch of fonts at the same time. So all this help anybody that's trying to get the fonts, and I'm gonna catch you guys later.